Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first official video with this hair. I am so excited. It looks so flippin' good. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I am about to leave for work, but I wanted to film a quick, like, super easy, lazy girl, glowy makeup kind of thing. I don't know what I'm calling this video yet, but I used a bunch of products that I haven't used in a long time. Not all of them are new or old. I do use some, of my favorites in here that I can't really, live without. So if you are interested in seeing the different products that I use today and how I created this look, please keep watching. Hello. Today I am playing with some new makeup, some old makeup, some things I've never used on camera or things that I've actually never used before at all, or things that I haven't used in a really long time. So I am going to prime my eyes, and for that I'm going to zoom you in, and I have to go to work in like an hour and a half. This is really kind of like my lazy girl makeup almost, but still glam. I don't know what I'm going to call this. This Morphe sponge feels way different than the exact same one I have of this, which is odd to me, but whatever. And I am going to set my eyes today. For that, I have used this product before. I'm going to go in with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder from Maybelline. This is in Light 15. And I'm just going to dab this on here with a highlighting brush because all of my brushes are dirty. Now that that is done, I'm going to take my bronzer and we're going to go in with my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. And this is in the shade, doesn't have one. I can't find it. I'm just going to take this on a fluffy brush. I'm just going to pop this in the creases. I'm just going to give my lid a little bit of depth. Yeah, I might have to go pick a different bronzer because this guy is, I think he's just done. I have two bronzers that are well loved. This is the Revolution Ultra Bronze. It is massive, like it is really large, and it is really nice. And then I also have my Hoola bronzer, which I need to get a new one of soon because I have hit pan. So I'm going to take Hoola and put this on my eyes just a little bit deeper, or makes it a little bit deeper on top of that Makeup Revolution one, or not Makeup Revolution, sorry, Makeup Forever one. It was like, I think the first bronzer I ever, one of the first bronzers, because I think my first bronzer was actually Hoola. And I am covering my entire lid because it just kind of looks weird when it's, I don't know, empty completely. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Epic Ink Liner. Clearly this is also not a new or old product, it goes on the best. I like that guy. He looks pretty good. Now let's see if I can get the other eye to do the same thing. Sweet! That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to stop fussing with it before I mess it up. I'm going to pop on my Milk Mascara. Again, not really new. I don't have a lot of new mascaras or old mascaras, because if they're old, I've probably thrown them away. Or they're empty and I've just kept their bottles, so I remember which ones I like. Okay, so that's that. That's done. You can totally leave it just like this if you want, if you're really lazy. Since I'm going to work, I am going to pop on false lashes, but like later. I'm gonna zoom us out and we're gonna do the face. So once again, not a new product, but just something that I can't really live without out of my daily routine, and that is the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I literally talk about this in every video. So we're gonna apply this. Yep, so just make sure that's massaged into the skin. Now I'm gonna go in with this primer. This is the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer. I've never used this before, so new product that we're gonna try out today. I have actually noticed, like, in this area of my face, it's been getting like oddly dry, like on my chin. I don't know what's going on with that. We're going to really take like that much. We'll start with for now. I'm gonna just put this in all these places. So it feels really nice. And it doesn't smell weird or anything. So as far as foundation goes, I was debating on both of these, still going back and forth in my head, but I do want like more of a glowier look today. So I think I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Pro Glow in 205. The other one was going to be the L'Oreal Infallible Total Coverage in 305. They're both natural beige. I don't know why one is a 300 and one is a 200. I don't know. This one also has a little bit of SPF in it. So I am going to I'm just going to do what I used to do and just squirt this all over my face. The one thing about this foundation is it is very, like, liquidy. But I remember it being very full coverage. I just want to go over my redness. Since it is summer, my skin is a little bit more prone to my rosacea flare-ups just because it's hot outside. I'm also super bummed. I had to take out this cartilage piercing. It fell out during my hair appointment when I was coloring it with Michael, and I just kind of was like, oh, I'll put it back in like later. I'll have plenty of time. And then when I went to go put it back in, I must have hit a very sensitive spot. It didn't hurt, but it just started bleeding. So I made an executive decision. I was like, you know what? It's not healing. I had a keloid. I had a really big keloid there that like would kind of go away, but then wouldn't go away. Now it's gone. So I'm gonna just say probably no like upper cartilage piercings, at least not on this side for now. So I am just gonna do a little teensy bit on my nose, just because this area of my face always like moves or goes away throughout the day. I kind of just lightly tap over it, like one more go around with just a teensy bit of foundation. So now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. This guy. I'm just going to kind of contour my nose a little bit too. I had the perfect nose contour the other day, and every time I cannot remember how I get it, so never comes out the same way twice. This is definitely like peachier, like a peachy yellow, and I'm hoping that it'll just kind of like brighten everything up. It is definitely not a dry formula at all. Ugh, look at that. It just goes in so nicely. And it's still super glowy. I am obviously going to set this, but I'm going to be using multiple different setting powders today, and we're going to see how they work. And for this, I just want that like natural glowiness. I don't know why I ever stopped using this concealer. I really don't. It's really, I don't know. I get into a routine and I'm like, oh, this works. And then I don't remember to use other concealers. And I just like to pounce over everything like a bunch, because it's just going to get all the excess off and it's going to make everything not as cakey. You feel me? So I'm going to go in with the Becca Cosmetics, I think it's a Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I'm going to go in with this. It's a Morphe R33 brush. This is just going to be my powder brush today. And this is, I'm going to set my chin, I'm going to set my smile lines right here in the corners of my mouth where I smile. All right, and that's that. So the under eye and right here, this kind of T-zone area, I'm not going to do up here just yet. I'm going to use this. I'm going to try to use this other setting powder that I tried a very long time ago, but was not a very big fan of initially. But we're going to try it again because I believe in second chances with makeup. We still have that glow to our skin. I want to keep this, but I want to be able to put bronzer in these areas without it getting patchy because it's going over something tacky. So we need to set those areas. So I'm going to try again the Laura Mercier Glow Translucent Setting Powder. It's supposed to be like their original translucent setting powder, but it has a glow to it. So I'm going to tap this on my skin in this region. I don't know. I'm going to take my Patrick's powder, little poof guy. All right. I see it. Okay. All right. I am definitely feeling this now. All right. Focus on me, please. So I don't know what my camera's doing right now. It's being really annoying. But this setting powder works really great to set your entire face and leave some glow in certain areas. I would not recommend using this under your eyes though. I did just zoom in on my face though because I don't know what my camera's focusing on. So we're just going to stay a little bit closer like this. Now what I'm going to do is go in with my Fuego highlighter from the Dose of Colors Desi x Katy collection. This was the first one that came out. I'm going to take my damp Morphe sponge and pat this into the product. Should come out like that. And stamp this into my skin. I think it just makes a really beautiful highlight come out than like putting it on a brush and rubbing it across the skin. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. That is beautiful. Do the same thing up here, like above my brow. I feel like it gives you that like liquid highlight almost when you do this. So I'm going to do my nose last. I always do my nose last. And I'm going to go in with my bronzer. Now we're going to take the Revolution, Makeup Revolution one. This is an Ultra Bronze. And we're just going to warm up the face. Just tap up here and all them baby hairs. I always like to get under here to create a shadow and get rid of this little pudgy spot that I have. I'm going to take the fluffy brush that I did my eyeshadow with that bronzer, and I just etch down my nose, like back and forth motions. And then I'll also tap over it with my sponge. I think what I did last time, I did my blush too, so we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Paaarty Blush, and I've never used this shade before. Do give myself that little bit of flushed look, and then I put it on the edge of my nose, which I think is what helped last time when I did this. We're rosy today, whatever. Probably looks weird because I don't have my brows done, but okay, so now that we've done that, I'm gonna go back in for my nose highlight. I just want that cute little nose. Cute little button nose. Okay, so the face is done. I'm gonna go off camera and do my brows, and then I will be back to show you guys the finished look. All right, be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I popped on my eyebrows, which is always Benefit Cosmetics. Anything, I'll link it all down below exactly what I used. For lips, I went in with the NYX Cosmetics Mahogany Lip Pencil. This is one of my favorite shades to use. And then over top of it, I went in with the Dose of Colors Knock on Wood Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is just so nice over top of this. I think I found a new fave lip combo. And then for the gloss, I went in with the Dose of Colors Over the Top Gloss, which is from the Desi Katy collection. My lashes are Likely Makeup in Sleepy Starlet. I absolutely love these lashes. They are just light and wispy, and they're long, but they're not super thick, but I love them. So I have to leave for work in a few minutes. So if you did like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, actually no, if you're not new here, if you've already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the bell icon literally right next to the subscribe button. It's going to help notify you when I post, and it's going to help me with my views and everything, because I guess if you're just subscribed, it's maybe going to tell you that I posted a new video, or I might show up. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I hate these algorithms, guys. I really do. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching this video and hanging out with me while I get ready for work. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. That's not what I say in the beginning. God, I really... Okay, I'm so tired. I was debating on two of these. You were always so good to me. I promise I'll never, ever forget about you, okay? I will continue to use you on a regular basis. Listen, Ghost, I need you to chill for a second.